Listen to me. I have explained you what to do. Okay, I am repeating it. I have given you word bricks. All of you have got the word bricks, alva?
Yes, sir.
These are the word bricks. They have words on both the sides. Different kinds of words are there. You are sitting already in the group. So all the groups have some cards. Not some cards, many cards. Using them, what you have to do? Sentences. Best sentences, as many as possible sentences you have to make. Time to you is 10 minutes. Within that 10 minutes, frame as many as possible as sentences. Okay? Go on. Go on. Yes, you read your sentences.
Would you like to have penne dosa?
Okay, now change it. Second sentence.
She made a garden.
Made a garden.
Dog is drinking water.
Okay.
Today is not cold.
Not cold. So you have changed. You are changing and bringing the words up and down and making new sentences. Good. Okay, now you read your sentences.
I am eating in hotel.
Okay, what is second sentence? Okay, bringing the words down.
I am was a small boy.
I am and was. Two ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? I was a
small
small boy. Okay, good. Keep going.